Hello, children. Good morning. How are you all? Good? That's great. You are doing good. Wow, very good. I hope you all are happy to see me. Yes? Yes? Do you remember me? Who am I? Great. I am your literacy teacher. And what's my name actually? Yes, my name is Shaista. And today is day 4 of your literacy class. Yes or no? Are you happy to be here with me? You all are happy? Good. I'm also I am very happy to be here with grade 2, right? Now, today, what we are going to learn is about punctuation marks, right? Do you know what are punctuation marks? Yes? Okay. Now, I'll show you a PowerPoint on punctuation marks, right? And then we are going to discuss that. Okay? Ready? Okay. Now, let's share. I'll share a PowerPoint with you and I will explain you also. Now, the marks. Now, what are punctuation marks actually? Punctuation marks are the marks such as full stop, comma, brackets, which are used in writing to separate sentences and their elements, right? I'm going to tell you this in detail. Now, starting from full stop. Now, full stop is also called a period. Okay, and that is in American English, you use period for that, which is we always use a full stop at the end of a sentence that is a complete statement. Like suppose, for example, my name is Beth, right? Now, in the same way, we use comma, we use brackets, but right now we are going to talk about only full stop and capital letters. Okay? Ready? Okay. Now, remember children, whenever we are starting to write a sentence, we always write that sentence with a capital letter. We start the sentence with capital letter. Okay? And then when the sentence is ended, at that time we put a full stop. Okay? Only these two things you need to remember, not going in detail right now. Okay? So whenever you are starting a sentence, you start that sentence with capital letter, and when the sentence is ended, you end it with a period or with a full stop. Okay, got it? Now, I'm going to show you a video about that. Okay, just see that video and then I'm going to side by side, I'll explain you that video also. Okay, now see, this is the video about capital letter and full stop. Okay, just a moment. Okay, now it started. It is about use of capital letter and punctuation marks. Okay, now see, an apple is red, right? What color is this apple? This apple is red. You start with a capital letter, you end with full stop. Okay, now do you like pizza? Now, this is about pizza. You start with capital letter here but ends with a question mark. Here it's not a full stop, it's question. I'll explain you later. There is a monster. Start with capital letter, ends with exclamation mark. This denotes a feeling. I love eating cupcakes. Strawberry, comma, cookies, comma, and banana. Now see, and burger actually. So you start with capital letter, you end with a full stop, but comma is to separate, is a separator for a pause. Whenever you are pausing something, you are going to write that comma. Okay, understood children? Yes or no? Good. So that means whenever you are starting to write anything, you start with capital letter, end with a full stop. But whenever you are breaking that sentence, you break it with comma. Alright? Now see. Suppose if I ask you to write down about anything, like I am writing on my whiteboard here, you can see this that if I am writing about I love, I love to sing. Right? Now here I have started the sentence with capital letter, ended with a full stop. Do you understood? Have you understood? Okay. Now, suppose if I am writing something else. What is your name? Now, is it a sentence? No, it's not a sentence. It is a sentence, but it's a question. It's you are asking something. So what are you going to put here? Yes, you are going to put a question mark like this. Understood? In the same way, I write a sentence like this. Jimmy is a good boy. Now, is this sentence correctly written? Have I missed out anything, children, here? Yes. What I have missed out? Capital letter. What is Jimmy here? This. Jimmy, actually. Jimmy is a name, right? It's a name. So, are you supposed to write this with a small letter? No, because name is always written with a capital letter. And what other mistake is there? Yes, there is no full stop at the end of the sentence. So, you have to put a full stop at the end of a sentence, right? Now, another sentence. Jimmy likes to keep secrets, right? Now, is this sentence correct? Yes, this sentence is correct because it is the starting of the sentence is with capital letter. That is the name. That is the name of Jimmy, right? And Jimmy likes to keep secrets. And the sentence is ended with a full stop. Very good. So that means it is correct, right? Now, my mother's name is Jenny. Now, is this correct? Have I written it correctly? No. What is the mistake again? I have not started with capital letters. So I have to start the sentence with capital letter and ended with a full stop. What else is here? Why I have written this Jenny with capital J? Yes? Correct, because Jenny is a name. So always remember that whenever we are writing something and there is some special name in that sentence, that special name is also written with capital letter. Now, my mother, I've started the sentence with capital M. My mother's name is Jenny, but Jenny is a special name, right? It's a proper noun. So I have written that with capital letter. So it is not that you will always write a sentence with a capital letter ended with a full stop. No, it is not like that always. If a sentence has any proper noun, any name, special name, that name is also written with capital letter. Do you understand my point? Like suppose children, you all are students, right? You all have your names. So whatever your name is, that name is always written with capital letter, right? Yes or no? And remember the video that I have shown you just now, that video is our own video, our Edward video, right? Because our school is Edward, right? It's an online school, it's a virtual school. So all these videos are our own videos, right? So please watch those videos also on YouTube and subscribe them as well. Okay, that is very important. No other, like it's not for everyone, like, and it's our own. We have customized it, we have made it ourselves. So please, yeah, see those videos that are there are lots and lots of videos on YouTube. You will find different videos on different topics. Any topic you choose and you can watch that video. Interested? Yes. Remember the video which I have shown you for in your comprehension lesson, right? That video was also made by our school. So do watch these videos, okay? So coming back to our lesson, what we have learned in the class? We have learned the use of capital letter and full stop and question mark also. Right? Whenever we are asking something, we put a question mark at the end of a sentence. But whenever it is a simple sentence, we put a full stop or a period at the end. Do you understand that, children? Yes? Okay. Now, if I say that Sarah is playing in the class. So, what I'll write here with capital letter? Sarah, right. And what will I do? I'll put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Very good. Again, the other sentence, my teacher's name is Shaista. What I'll put? I'll start M with capital, and what else I'll write with capital? Shaista's S will be with capital letter. Good job. So, you understood now about capital letter and full stop? Very good. I'm so happy for my children. Great job, grade 2, right? Okay, now see you next time in your next class. Bye. Bye bye. Bye, children.